If you're thinking of running a yoga teacher training and you're not sure if it's going to be worth the effort of creating a training or buying a training, I recommend you sign up for the free info session kit to host a yoga teacher training info session. Hi, I'm Aruna from the Ambassador Yoga Trainer Fast Track. We've created a free course for you to find out if offering yoga teacher training is worth all the effort. And we highly recommend that you sign up for this course before you start your training. Because if you host a free info session and invite your students to come and find out about yoga teacher training and no one shows up, you want to know that before you do all the work of creating a 200-hour training. Whereas if you host a free info session and a whole bunch of people show up and want to take 200-hour yoga teacher training with you, then that is an indication to you that this is a good path to follow for your yoga business. What we're trying to do at the Yoga Trainer Fast Track is to save you time and energy by using work that we've already done so that you can work smarter and not harder. And we host a free info night every time that we hold a 200-hour training. And so we've already done the work and we're offering this for free because we also license out our 200-hour training, and that will save you years of work. This free info session includes timelines and how you can run your info session. It gives you a PowerPoint presentation that you can use in your info session that would guide people through what's going to be included in your 200-hour training. You can modify it or you can use it exactly as is. We give you a free replay of one of the info sessions that we held. We've given you posts and stories and templates and posters, Facebook event headers that you can use to host a free info session without having to do all the work. And then we even have a postcard to hand out to students to get feedback. And for a limited time, I am happy to mail you some of these postcards. This is what they look like. So it just says 200-hour training on the front. It's very generic. It says, make an impact teaching yoga, explore asana and meditation, connect to yoga philosophy, and deepen your practice on the front. And on the back, it asks them to give their name and to tell you what they're looking for in a training. We will mail you a pack of these if you fill in the form. If you click on this, get postcards mailed to you, it will take you to this link to request your postcards and you'll fill in the form. We'll get your address and your postcards will be on the way. This is a limited time offer till we run out of postcards. The idea is we work with people by letting you license our 200-hour training. We want you to know that it will be worth licensing a training. And so if you put these postcards out in your class and you get 20 postcards back, I think it's a really good idea for you to get a training going as quickly as possible so that your students can do the training with you, someone they already know, they already like, and they already trust. And if that's you, if you've got students who you think are interested in a 200-hour training, why not host a free info session and get your students to step out of the mat and come into the room and find out how many people are interested in yoga teacher training. This kit to host a free info night is something you would offer free to your students, and we're offering it free to you because we think if you find out that you have students who want to take teacher training, well, we can help you with giving you a training that you can deliver, a training that you would probably write yourself that includes all the basics of a 200-hour teacher training, the 8 limbs of yoga, the chakras, asana, how to plan lessons. It's all included and it's all written. It's ready for you to teach if you want to jump into yoga teacher training without having to write the manuals. So check out the free info session. Let us know if you have any questions. And if it's your time to be a trainer, we can help you with the Yoga Trainer Fast Track at ambassadoryoga.com.